Hi friends, welcome to our new episode. Ausbildung in Germany, how to apply from India and abroad, the complete process. What if I told you that your dream career in Germany could start with just one application? Yes, no massive tuition fees, no endless waiting, just a clear process that anyone can follow. Today, I will show you exactly how to apply for Ausbildung in Germany from India or anywhere abroad, step by step. By the end of this video, you will know the roadmap from your home country to working and studying in Germany. Quick question: what is the hardest part of applying abroad for you? Is it documents, German language, or visa? Comment below. I want to see what worries you most. The first step is simple but powerful. Learn German. At least B2 level is needed. Without it, you can't apply. But don't worry, thousands of students start from zero and reach B1 within a year or B2 within a year. Daily practice matters more than perfection. Next, documents. Here is your checklist. Europa CV in German format. Motivation letter, why you want this field. School, college certificates, passport and photos, German language certificate. Tip: get all documents translated into German and verified. Companies take you more seriously when your application looks professional. Now comes the exciting part: apply directly on company's website, hospital, hotels, IT firms. And second, use Ausbildung portals like ausbildung.de. And third, apply through international recruitment agencies. But be careful, choose only trusted ones. Pro tip: apply to at least 20 companies. Don't wait for one answer. German respect persistence. Once accepted, you will receive a training contract. With that, you apply for a German visa. Processing takes 6 to 12 weeks, so start early. After your visa is approved, book your flight, arrive in Germany, and guess what? You will start earning from your very first month. So that is the complete process. Learn German, prepare documents, apply, visa, fly. Now let me in the comments which steps feel toughest for you: language, documents, or visa. And if this guide helped you, share it with a friend who is dreaming of Germany too. Don't forget to subscribe to Pathfinder with Sajin, because your journey to Germany is just beginning of your life. Take care and see you in the next video.